Hello, this is Arjit Chaudhary from BMC Software. This is second video in the series of performing script-based patch analysis for Solaris 11. In this video, we are going to look at the process to update patch repository for Solaris 11 patches. From out-of-the-box script which we executed in part 1 of this video series, we observed that two NSH scripts were imported under depot location. We will be utilizing those scripts to create NSH script jobs. Before we create an NSH script job, we need to ensure two things here. Number one, the repository must reside on an Oracle Solaris 11 image packaging system server, and number two, Solaris 11 server with the IPS repository must have outbound internet access either directly or through HTTP proxy. This is required to update the repository. Let's move to demonstration part of it and create an NSH script job with the imported Solaris 11 update repository script. We will define a name Solaris 11 update repository job. On the targets panel, we need to add Solaris 11 IPS server where the patch repository resides and proceed to the parameters tab. The information here needs to be updated carefully. Repository location is the location of the repository to be created or updated on the repository server. Source location is the full URL or location path from where the repository is to be downloaded. Oracle key location is the location of the Oracle key that is kept on the repository server. Oracle certificate location again is the location of the Oracle certificate that is kept on the repository server. BSA documentation contains a link to Oracle website which has information on how we need to download Solaris 11 support key.pem and Solaris 11 support certificate.pem files. I have already downloaded the certificates and placed it on repository location under home Solaris 11. Next parameter we have is cache directory, which is the path to an optional cache directory and is to be used to resume download after a failure is observed. Number of retries denotes the number of times to try to update repository before marking the update as failed. Packages to update denotes a list of specific packages that you want to download from the source. An asterisk symbol can be provided for all available packages. We click on Next Finish to execute an NSH script job. Now for this demo, I already created and updated NSH script job to update repository on Solaris IPS server. This job takes a bit of time to complete, as you can see from the start and the end time. Once the job is completed successfully, it will update specified repository with the package details. I will quickly switch my screen to the repository server and will show you what all files are created once the repository is successfully updated. So as you can see that we have a pkg5.publisher file and a publisher directory. Under publisher directory we have a Solaris subdirectory, and under Solaris subdirectory we have another set of subdirectories containing the package information. Next video in the series will cover demonstration on how we need to run patch analysis against Solaris 11 servers. Thanks for watching.